Alright, today's video, picked up some new equipment for this channel. Sound level meter, reads decibels. Got it on eBay for $15 shipped. Came like this, no box, but it did come with instructions and a AC/DC plug. I'll leave a link in the comments where I bought this thing. Quick test, how loud is my Z06? So I'm sitting in it right now, car turned off. So let's just get a reading with the car turned off. So mid 30s, just sitting in the car. And when I talk, it hits 70, 60. Talk louder, say 70. Okay, quick test right now.